Hobby, has your file ready or not? If in 2 minutes I don't get the file, then trust me, nobody will worse than me. Hobby ran to him. File is ready, Hang. See. Snatched the file from his hand and left. Come to office soon. I have to discuss very important thing. Left. Hobby, oh, okay, Hang. Key in the air while wiping his sweats by towel. Hobby, Hang, good morning. Hobby, morning, June, said in very slow voice. June looked at his sad face. What happened, Hang? You sound worried. All good? Hobby showed weak smile. All good. Don't worry. About to go. June held his hand. I know something is wrong. I can sense nothing is good with you. Your eyes are so red. It's begging to sleep. Please tell me what happened. Hobby took a deep breath. I was working on a file. For that, I had to stay up all night. That's why my eyes are so red. Don't worry, I will be fine soon. June, but why did you stay up all night? You can complete that in daytime too. Hobby, it was very important file. I had to give Hang that file in the morning. I had no other option rather than stay up all night. June, Jungi Hang is like this. He always gave us work very less time to complete the work, then threaten us to complete that within the given time. And if by chance we fail to complete that, then be ready to take his punishment. I really don't like this attitude. Hobby, no, June, you are taking me wrong. I am not talking about cut off. June, please, Yang, stop taking his side. You can't prove him wrong. He is wrong, and that's the universal truth. He is showing his strictness without any reason. If we do any work on time, then we get scoldings. If not, then also we get scoldings. He can never be satisfied with our work. If he has this much problem, then why does he give us work to do? He should do everything by himself. He has no gratitude. He doesn't know the words like please and thank you exist. He is born to irritate us. I'm really so fed up by him. If he doesn't my Hang, I will fire him from my senior post. Oh really? June, without realizing, yes, really. He is the most insensitive, mannerless, bad, mean, rude, arrogant, self-conscious and selfish person. He only thinks about his work. He never thinks about us. He can't tolerate a simple mistake. If he has this much problem with mistakes, then why doesn't he hire robots? They won't do any mistake. But no, he won't hire robots because he knows he can't scold them. He's addicted to drink our blood. He gets so much happiness to see our frustrated face. He loves to scold us. Hobby tried to stop him. June, please stop. June, what is stop? Young, truth is always bitter. Hobby, but this truth will give you so much pain. June, what pain, Yang? I'm already in pain. If there was any pain meter, then that could be blast just to measure my pain. Oh really? But why are you talking like this? What did he do? June, what did he do? You should ask what shouldn't he did. Yesterday he made me run 50 rounds of a training camp. He didn't let me stop for a while. My whole body is hurting. Do you know all the trainees were looking at me like I did any sin? So you got punishment without any mistake, June, of course I didn't do any mistake. It's just that cruel creature wanted to enjoy seeing my suffering like hell. I am just his enjoyment. Whenever he feels bored, he scold or punish me and become happy. I'm telling you, Yang, if it happens like this, then I will complain to mom and dad. Do you think mom and dad can help you? June, no. Unfortunately, they love and trust that cruel creature the most. But I can complain to Jin Hang. He will definitely help me to get rid away from him. I will request him to make me his assistant instead of that cruel creature. At least I can live peacefully. And do you think Han will go easy on you? June. Of course not, but I can hear his raps. At least only my ear suffers, not whole body. Hobie mumbled. Why the hell is this boy inviting hell for him? Can't he stay quiet? June. I can't stay quiet, Yang. I have right to speech. I can say whatever I want. No one can stop me. You should support your Macne, not that cruel creature. If you love him that much, then why don't you exchange your place from mine? You become that cruel creature's assistant, and I will become Jinhyang's. Both of us will be happy. Hobie, it's your misconception that Jinhyang is easy for going. June, at least he won't be stricter than that cruel creature. Hobie, in your dreams you won't know anything, that's why you are saying this. June, see, you started defending him like his advocate, but you can't prove that cruel creature is good. He is rude, arrogant, and short tempered. I hate him the most. Hoping, stop it, June. You are digging your own grave. Happily chirping, good morning, Hobie Yang. Good morning, June Yang. Good morning, Yoongi Yang. Hobie, morning, Jimin. June, my morning was good, but he started talking about that cruel creature and made it bad. Jimin, cruel creature? Oh, you mean you stopped at middle. June, yes, I mean that cruel creature. His name is Yoongi, not you. You don't need to escape from him. Your Hang is here to save you and cook from that cruel creature. He can't do anything to you. Looked at Hobie. My Hang didn't support me, but I will always support my Magnus. I won't let anyone to bully you. Jimin, Hang, please stop it. June, Jimin, I told you na, you don't need to scare. By the way, why did you greet that cruel creature? He isn't here. He must be sleeping peacefully and thinking how to suffer me. Here is only me and Hobie Yang. Jimin, Yoongi Hang is standing behind you. June, stop kidding me, Jimin. He can't wake up this early. Jimin turned around him. He is steering you. June, jaw dropped. Yoongi Hang. Yoongi crossed arm. No, cruel creature. June elbowed Hobie. Why didn't you inform me that he was behind me? Said in whispering tone. Hobie whispered back. I was trying to stop you, but you weren't listening me and talking ill. Now suffer. June, please come to meet me at my graveyard. Don't forget me. Hobie put his hand on his shoulder. Don't worry, June. I will bring funeral ring flower too. At least I can do this for my matinee. June, oh, thank you so much. I will waiting for you. Yoongi ignored them. Jimin, have you woken tea? Jimin, don't worry, Hang. Cook is with him. He's getting him ready. Yoongi, Jimin shouts, Jinhyang, I'm ready. Give me my coffee. Happily went to kitchen. Hoping Jinhyang isn't at home. He already left. Everyone, what? Hobie, he said, come to office soon. He want to discuss very important topic. Yoongi, and what about our breakfast? Looked at everyone's gaze on himself. No, don't expect me to make breakfast for everyone. I can't make. June, happily, only you and Jinhyang knows cooking. Jinhyang isn't here, so only you left. Whatever you want or not, you have to make breakfast for us. Yoongi, stop using your 148 IQ brain here. I'm not gonna make any breakfast. Order your breakfast from outside. I will make only coffee. Left. Time skipped after some times. Yoongi was making breakfast for everyone and everyone was sitting on the chair and throwing tantrums to eat the breakfast. Cook, watch this. Only plain sandwich. Yoongi, what do you mean by plain sandwich? Do you want me to wrap myself and serve you? Cook, I won't eat this. I want cheese grilled sandwich. Jimin, and what's this? Why did you give me butter sandwich? I'm on diet. give me, make me salad. June, I want hot dog. Whoopi, I want pasta. T screamed his lungs out. Ah, kitten! Where is Titi's strawberry milkshake? Why did kitten give Titi plain milk? Titi won't eat this. And wash this bread and jam. Titi won't eat this. Make tasty pancakes for Titi and pour lots of honey on that. Jimin, Titi, honey is finished. Whoopi, what? But how? Last week I brought 2 big bottles of honey. Where did all the honey go? Tim proudly patted his tummy. Here, Titi finished both the bottles. That was so yummy, said while linking his ribs. June, unbelievable. How much sweet do you want eat? T, how much big party wanna feed Titi? Titi will never say no to sweet. Cook, Yoongi-yang, give me my banana milk. By then you will make my cheese grilled sandwich. I will drink my banana milk. Yoongi, bother your legs to walk till fridge and take it by yourself. Jimin, yes cook, bother your legs and take your banana milk by yourself. Let Hyang make my coffee and salad. June, no Hyang, make my hot dog first. Hoping, no, first make my pasta. I'm elder than you all after Yoongi Hyang. T started slamming his spatula on the kitchen counter. No! Kitten, first make Titi's strawberry milkshake and pancakes. Jimin, coffee and salad. Cook banana milk and cheese grilled sandwich. June, hot dog. Whoopi, pasta. T, Titi's strawberry milkshake and pancakes. Yoongi yelled, ah, shut up everyone. Do you think I open any restaurant where you are giving orders? Don't you feel mercy on me? Instead of helping me, you all are throwing tantrums. You should be thankful that I am making breakfast for you all. Have your breakfast and go to your work. I am seriously so fed up with you all. Everyone became silent for a few seconds and looked at him, then again started demanding like nothing happened. Jimin, coffee and salad. Cook banana milk and cheese grilled sandwich. June, hot dog. Whoopi, pasta. Titi's strawberry milkshake and pancakes. Yoongi looked at them and said in mind, Jin Yang, I will sue you to leave me alone between these crackheads. How do you handle their demands daily in this early morning? I feel like run away from here. Ah! No matter how much Yoongi yelled in front of these crackheads, nobody will see his sufferings. He made everyone's demanded British and finally they all left to their work. Time skipped in the afternoon. T happily entered inside the house with Jimin and Cook. All the way he was talking, and right now too he is talking like there is no tomorrow. T, baby, Bunny, why are Baby and Bunny silent? Jimin, Titi, we aren't silent. Titi is talking too much. T, oh, Ginny, Kitten, Big Body, and Hopa aren't here now. So Titi has to talk on behalf of 5 people. Cook smiled. Titi is good at maths. T, Big Body taught Titi. Jimin, okay, Titi, now we have to go. Titi should stay here and don't go outside. Sit here and watch your cartoon. And yeah, first change your clothes. T, Baby and Bunny are going this early. Baby and Bunny won't have lunch with Titi. Cook Knuckles is here. Titi, we aren't going now. First we will feed you your lunch. Then we will go. Today we are going on a special training camp. T looked at him. Special training camp means? Jimin, Titi, just like in your school, your teacher revises your chapters before the exams. Just like this, our trainer arranges a special training camp for us, which will help us to become good and strong mafia like Hangs. Tea mid office. Oh, should Bibi and Bunny have exams too? Cook, and for that we have to do lots of practice. Tea, Titi will help Bibi and Bunny. Titi knows everything. Big body Tea taught Titi everything. Titi came first in Titi's class. Cook, okay, we will take Titi's help. Jimin, Titi, now go and change your clothes. Till then we are serving your lunch. Tea, oh Tea, happily went to his room. Tea went to his room and Jiko came to kitchen. They already brought Titi's lunch. They were serving his lunch while talking. Cook, Titi is so cute now. Jimin, but his naughtiness started increasing. Haven't you heard his teachers complain? Cook, that's good that it's we who went to pick him from school. If Jin or Junhyang went, then after hearing this much complaints, they will definitely punish him by not letting him eat his strawberries. Jimin, so true. Then he will running in the house while winning cutely. By the way, do you know what happened to Hangs? Cook, Hangs, what happened to them? They are alright. Jimin, not like this. I saw all the Hangs are worried. Jin Hyang left the office early. He didn't even prepare a breakfast for us. It's very rare. Cook, oh, you're talking about this. I asked to Yoongi Hang. He said there is nothing to worry. They were just tensed for their upcoming mission. Jimin, which mission? Cook, Hyang didn't tell me about this. He said it's secret mission. He can't tell anyone about this. Jimin, okay, where is TT? Why haven't he come here? Cook, wait, let me check. T ran to them. Baby, Bunny, baby, Bunny. Cook held him. TT, what happened? Why are you running? T showed him to hoodie. Kitten Shuddhi caught stain. Jimin took the hoodie from his hand. It's Yoongi Hang's favorite hoodie. How did it get stained? Titi was coming to Baby and Bunny. Titi saw Kitten's room door was open, so Titi went to Kitten's room to close the door. But Titi saw there was honey bottle. Titi couldn't wait and started drinking. The honey bottle slipped from Titi's hand and fell on the floor. Titi cleaned the floor by Kitten's hoodie. But now Kitten's hoodie got a stain, said innocently. Jacob looked at each other's face. What? Jimin, Titi, how many times we told you to not touch anyone's things without his permission? We clearly told you that you aren't allowed to enter anyone's room when he isn't at home. Do you have any idea what did you do? Now Yoongi Han will scold you and us too. But Titi didn't do anything intentionally. Titi was only thinking. Honey, it's all honey bottle's fault. It slipped from Titi's hand. Titi is all innocent. It's called honey bottle, not Titi. Wait, Titi will bring honey bottle. Baby should scold it harshly. About to go. Cook stopped him by holding his clothes. Titi's, you are becoming brat day by day. Stop acting cute. You aren't listening to anyone. Took the hoodie from Jimin's hand. Hyang, I will wash it. Till then, you go and clean Yoongi Hyang's room. Titi will help baby. Jimin, no need to do anything. You already helped us a lot. Now stay here and finish your lunch. Left. Time skipped after some time. Hyang came back home. Their meeting was near their home, so they came to home to rest for a while. But as soon as they opened the door and entered inside, they saw flour was spreading all over the house. By searching tea, they entered inside the kitchen and saw flour was spreading everywhere. Flour container was open. Titi was filling the flour in small cartons. He took a bath in flour. After seeing this, Jin became super mad. He shouted loudly. Jin shouts, Titi, what did you do? We told you to not create any mess. Can't you listen at once? See, you spread whole house. Ah, what should I do with you? Why aren't you listening to us? What fun you got by spreading the house? T. Ginny, Titi didn't do anything. Titi was only taking cookie jar. This flour container fell it by its own. Titi didn't touch it. Yungi, oh really? T, you only know one thing. How to trouble the house. You always spread the house. Now we have to clean this. In few minutes we have an important meeting. We thought we can rest for a while, but we were wrong. Now we have to clean it. We are already very tired. T, Titi will clean everything. Hobby, Titi, you clean enough. You only know one thing, how to trouble us. We told you to not touch anything, but you never listen to us. All the time you wanna play and do fun. But we want peace. Why aren't you understanding that we want peace in our house? Since you came, peace left the house. Why are you standing here? Go away from our eyes. Teary eyes. Oba! Hobby, don't you dare to call me Hoba. I'm not your Hoba. June held T's hand. T, come, let me give you bath. Took him to his room. Hanks cleaned the house and left to their meeting. They didn't talk with Titi. Titi was hurt to hear their words. He was standing at the main gate and talking with himself. Titi is no only how to create problems. Titi hurt everyone. Titi is a bad boy. Nobody loves Titi anymore. Everyone only scolds Titi. Titi will go far away from the eyes. Yes, Titi should go. Time skipped after some time. Yang came back to home. Their meetings went well. They all were very tired. When they came home, they saw house was open. They were feeling guilty to scold Titi. They didn't want to scold him, but because of their stress, they scolded him. They searched Titi everywhere, but Titi wasn't at home. Jikook also returned back from their special training camp. When they checked CCTV footage, they found Titi left the house right after they went for meeting. While crying hard, their hearts sank. They informed their team to search deep, but still no one hasn't found him. Now they all are feeling guilty. Jin, it's all my fault. I shouldn't scold him harshly. If anything happened to him, then I can't forgive myself. Burst into tears. Yungi put his hand on his shoulder. Yang, it wasn't only your fault. Hobby, I said so many hurtful things to him. We are elders. We should understand that he is a child. Naughtiness isn't normal at his age. We should control over our anger. They all were trying to console Jin. Meanwhile, with Tim, he woke up by hearing the noise and saw from his strawberry garden. His youngs was gathering near the main gate, so he also went to them. Tim tucked into his pants. Kitten, what happened? Why is Ginny crying? Who hurt Ginny? Yungi, without realizing, Yang is feeling guilty. T, guilty? But why? Yungi, because he scolded. Realization hit him and turned around. Titi, you came back. Hugged him tightly. Everyone hugged him tightly. We are sorry, Titi. Titi, sorry, but why are you saying sorry? Titi should say sorry. Titi always give you a hard time, na? Jin shook his head breathlessly. No, Titi never gave us hard time. Titi only gave us happiness. Jimin, Titi, where were you? We were searching you from long time. Cook, yeah, why did you run away from the house? Titi thought Titi should go away from the house. After that, you will be happy. But Titi was running on the house. Titi remembered Big Party brought his toppings for Titi. So Titi came back to eat the toppings. Titi eat was sitting strawberries while sitting in the strawberry garden. Titi doesn't know when Titi fell asleep. Titi woke up after hearing noise. Everyone smiled to see his cute dog. They all apologized to T and made them understand. Do not go outside the house like this. Whenever they said they didn't mean to hurt Titi, T understood and apologized to them too. They all went outside for their dinner. Titi already forgot everything and enjoyed a lot. Things before saying anything in front of kids. Kids took the literal meaning of words. They can never understand the meaning behind your words. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. How was a dramatic TT? How was the twist? In the whole damn world, he found Curtin to sit and unknowingly slept while eating his precious strawberries. Kids are like this. For them, there is no color between black and white. Their mind aren't that much developed to stand the meaning behind the words. They took literal meaning of the words. That's why it's important to think twice before saying anything in front of kids. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.